Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vanilla ice cream using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of pure vanilla extract and just a small pinch of salt to really bring out those wonderful flavors. This recipe is designed for simplicity and fantastic taste. Now, let's combine our base ingredients. In a large bowl, whisk together the heavy cream, whole milk, and granulated sugar. Continue whisking for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until you can no longer feel any sugar granules when you rub a small amount between your fingers. Then, stir in the 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract and that tiny pinch of salt. This creates a smooth, flavorful foundation. Next, we need to chill our ice cream base thoroughly. Cover the bowl and place it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours or even overnight to ensure it's very cold. Once chilled, pour the mixture into the frozen bowl of your ice cream maker. Churn it according to your machine's specific instructions, which usually takes about 20 to 25 minutes until it reaches a soft serve consistency. Once churned, your vanilla ice cream will be soft, like a delicious soft serve. For a firmer, scoopable texture, transfer it to an airtight container and freeze for another 2 to 4 hours. You can enjoy it right away or store it in the freezer for up to 2 weeks. This easy method yields incredibly creamy and flavorful homemade vanilla ice cream that everyone will love.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.